to be showing you something a little bit different to what we normally show you. This is a Delica, and I did not like it at first, but it seems to have grown on me, and now I think it's very quirky, and it's actually alright. So let's take a look. Mitsubishi Delica is your #1 choice if you love imports, have a big family, and need a high clearance vehicle for your off-road expeditions. How was your driving experience, Mum?
I think it's wonderful. Of course, it's a little heavier than a Toyota Estima or Nissan Elgrand. You know, it's a big car, it's a four-wheel drive car. But I think it's going to be beautiful in the city too because it has 3 cameras and sliding auto doors, and you sit really high, so I love that.
Delica is the proper 4-wheel drive people mover that loves sand, snow, rocks, and wet grass. It can also seat 8 people in comfort. What do we have inside? This one is a Chamonix model with the debatable wood grain dash, spacious cabin, comfy 8 seats with nice velour, and great trim. Rubbish hooks! Just one. There are like countless things in this car that we don't know like what their purpose is, like this above my head. And I'll show you something else. If anyone knows what these are for, please let us know in the comments because there's a lot of them.
What are those things? Oh.
Spare tire. Option-wise, it is not as fancy as the premium model, but it still has quite a lot up its sleeve. Nice dash, dual auto doors, proximity entry and start, reverse camera, nice sound. In the premium model, there's an automatic tailgate as a standard, drop-down DVD in the middle row, and a high-quality Rockford sound. You're ready.
Okay, the third row of seats splits 50-50, exactly like a Nissan Elgrand, and they go to both sides. But I still can't figure out how to do that, so it may take a while. Нужно его как-то сложить. Oh. Okay, you filming?
Yep.
Oh, okay, I know.
Editing Ksenia here. We couldn't do anything because we're weak. Our little Mitzi is already sold, but you can pre-order your own one from Japan today. Thank you for watching this video. Like, subscribe, share, comment. See you next time.